Okay, this is how you're going to log your hours in Pivot Point during your break. So log into Pivot Point, home page, come up to the top right, click on this icon here, it's a small stopwatch. Click on Mark Yourself Remote. You're now clocked in. Go to All Lessons. Select All Catalogs. Go to the workshops. Select a workshop that you want to preview, which you have to do in order to get the hours. The system will block this and you won't get hours. After you watch this, then you'll go back and go to the workshop. Scroll down until you find the workshops. Okay, so we'll just pick one of these. Okay, so then you're going to watch this video. After you watch this video, then you will actually do your operation. You'll do this haircut. Then when you're finished with it, you're going to go to Show You Can, Finished Design. You're going to click on that. It says take a photo of your finished design and post here before marking this lesson complete. Finished design. So now we're going to add discussion. Subject, uniform layer. And this one is 105.18. Now you're going to click on Attach Photo right here. You can click right here. Insert or Edit Image. You have to select this. Image is decorative only. Otherwise, you have to enter URL. You don't have to describe for someone who can't see it, but you do have to browse repositories. Once you're in Browse Repositories, then you will go to whichever file you have pictures saved in. So I'll just select this one of my sister, open, upload file, okay. So then I have this here. You're going to save image. Then you will post to forum. It'll tell you your post was successfully added, and then you do have 15 minutes to edit. You will need to post more than one picture. So the way to do that is you're going to go back, add discussion topic, do the same thing, before haircut picture, put the time, and now you're going to add the picture. This image is decorative only. Let's see what auto size might make it a little smaller. Browse repositories. Okay, go to wherever you keep your files. Choose file. Do this one, me and my dad in Hawaii. Open. Upload. And that should have that one. Save image. Post to forum. Your post was successfully added. There we go. So then you would add a third one the exact same way. So your first one is going to be before you begin your operation. The second one will be in the middle of your operation, and the third one will be your end result. If you want to check your time and clock out, you're going to come over here. You're going to click on that icon. Now you're going to mark yourself not remote. That has stopped you. You're clocked out. Now you can go to your time tracking report. Disable both of these time frames. You can do count only remote hours. Hit filter. Now you can see the sessions. Now this student has a lot of time. But you can see here when you started, when you ended, the date and the time, total time in hours. Right over here, for today, this student has earned 2.43 hours. That's how you do it. After you've done that, then you're going to need to go over to Course Key. And when you go to Course Key, upload your final picture and a screenshot of this right here so that we can see how many hours. Screenshot of how many hours. And add the date in the notes. Okay guys, I hope this helps. Contact me if you need help.